So I'm back with another lip combo video, and yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. The reason why I'm doing so many lip combination videos is because I never used to pay attention to my lips. Like, I was that person who would just put on some lip gloss and go. So I've already put the darker shade on, and I'm actually gonna reach for this Juvia's Place. This is their lipstick in the shade Lady, and I actually have just discovered an interesting dupe. It's the same color as my skin, right? So I'm gonna show y'all what I do with this. I already used Milani's Sensual, that's the name of this one. It's like a darker shade. Sometimes I go in with a MAC one that I have also, but so usually I'll take this shade Lady and just put it on the bottom, because in my head I was like, oh, it's the same color as my skin tone, so I'll put it on the bottom. Wrong. I was doing it all wrong. So now what I've discovered is I'll put it on the top part of my lip, and I'll just pat it in like that. And so the bottom part of my lip still doesn't have anything on it. And I'm actually gonna use another shade of lipstick. Let me show you. It's, what's it called? Saint Germaine by MAC, and that one's like a pink color. And this one is actually the same shade as my bottom lip, or pretty close to it. So I just put it on the bottom like that. And now I'm just gonna finish it off with a clear gloss. Like that. And I've already showed y'all about the disposable wands in my last video. So I'm gonna take a new one, a fresh one, and use it for the top part. Don't mash your lips together so that the pink doesn't go onto the top or the brown doesn't go onto the pink. Make sure you blend out all your colors seamlessly so that you are left with one normal looking lip. Stay tuned for more videos, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.